Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking to upgrade your current basketball hoop or mount something against, let's just say, a wall, this video is for you. So what we have here is, I will call this a premium. I've never seen a basketball hoop like this. I would say this is a premium basketball hoop, and here's the reasons why. The first thing I need to do is remove this old warped ring. You can barely see that it's not round anymore. It's tipped over a couple times. Some of these things have been broken off. This piece was plastic and is faded. I mean, it did the job, but it was definitely weathered. This example is a lot different, and all the required hardware came with this new unit. And so these bolts came out of the old one. I said, well, if I'm putting the new one in, I might as well use the hardware that comes with it. It has like locking nuts and everything. And this is all sealed in. So this is all metal, powder coated. Also note here, the net is not put together like this other version where they look like this, and there's nothing wrong with this. They're wired in there with this ring. So this bolt right there comes out, and then you kind of fish it around, and then you put this in. Now it already comes netted up like this, so you don't have to do any of that stuff, but this was definitely an upgrade because, I mean, it's in there. And let's just say this thing tips over, which it has, you know, because I didn't put the amount of weight in the back. It's going to be less likely to get dinged up. Also, weight comparison against the original one compared to this one, this thing is like significantly more durable, heavy gauge. There's a super big spring in there. So from a flex, you can, you know, so if you were to, you can barely see if I put a little weight on it, you can definitely see there's a spring inside there. It's hooked up to this bolt that's inside. So if somebody was to dunk and really get a good grip on this, it's going to give a little spring to it, which is good for, you know, longevity, and it mirrors, you know, a professional style hoop and backboard setup. These two screws go on, they kind of cover all the integrates and the bolts that go all the way through. All the bolts that are provided with this have locking nuts, so it's our locking washers, so it's definitely not coming off. Definitely a premium hoop, and the netting on this also is just a definitely a significant upgrade from the one that I was using before, and I would say more in line with a professional grade hoop and net setup. Now, full disclosure, this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, give an honest review of our basketball hoop net setup. If professional grade basketball hoop and net setup is your thing, can't speak enough good things about it. Another cool thing is that the mounting bolt pattern has a lot of different settings. So I wasn't worried about having to drill new holes or anything in the back, because it gives you probably 4 or 5, maybe even 6 different bolt patterns that you have to choose from. So that was kind of cool just from a convenience standpoint. Hopefully this answers any question you might have, and we'll tie this in.